Job number J-2025363-2. We're accessing the drain through a 3-inch cleanout tee located towards the back of the home in a storage room area where common with the furnace, or one of the two furnaces. We are looking at the connection to the city main sewer. Counter is at 196 feet, and looks like possibly a manhole termination. See some aggregate in the concrete of the manhole structure as we pull back. Transitioning to PVC at 194, or PVC termination I should say. Base of an vertical offset or a change in depth. The lower part of this change in depth is at 169. Hanging vertically currently. See the camera's kind of dangling at the moment. Leveling out to the top of the offset at about 163, 164. see with the waves that are the water on the bottom. We don't have any significant water to speak of currently, but we do see some water here. Downstream end is at 127. As we pull back, our water situation gets a little bit wider, so we have some persistent pooling here, and it gets a little bit deeper as we go back. So about 127 is about where it started. As we continue back, it tapers into a deeper puddle here. We have some soap from the washing machine hovering around on the top. And as we pass back here, we can see the rapids there is the start of this pool, so about 119 to 127 is that cooling water section. Widens out. Again, we have some soap bubbles floating around on the top of the cooling water. Here seems to be more the deepest part. Again, soap bubbles floating around on top. Also, we have a material change from the white PVC to the green PVC. The downstream end is at 106. You can see the rapids up ahead. Right around here at 104 is the upstream end of that section of pooling, 104 to 116. Pipe nice and empty right now. Again, back to white PVC at 90. Building clean out at 84. And the Y at the top is a Y that's been cut in for a basement bathroom at some point since the home was built. soap bubbles in the drain from the washing machine. Passing back through a Y. The run of the Y is heading back to the washing machine and another bathroom stack. Passing back through a Y junction. The straight part of that Y heads back to the secondary furnace where there's a 2-inch floor drain near serving that area. This Y was relatively recently replaced, or relayed rather. There was suspicion of a belly issue here, so this has been adjusted recently. Offset in the drain, angling back towards the floor drain in the furnace storage room area. This is a Y heading off to an auxiliary drain, possibly a kitchen or a bar, or both. Y connection for our floor drain, located between the exercise room and the furnace. That's where the active backup has been experienced recently. Another change in direction, approaching the base of the stack. Going up the base of the stack, 3-inch PVC.